We often get the question, is it safe to water your orchids with ice? Watering your Just Add Ice Phalaenopsis orchid with 3 ice cubes weekly is the best and easiest way to care for your orchid plant. One of the fastest ways to kill an orchid is to overwater it. Using the ice cube watering method, you get a pre-measured amount of moisture going into the bark soil with a slow drip process. Although the size of the ice cube doesn't matter, they should measure about 1/4 cup of water when melted. With the slow drip process, the water melts into the bark soil and seeps into the roots. The roots slowly soak up the water as it drips down, which prevents water from sitting at the bottom of your pot. It is recommended to place your Just Add Ice orchids in a bright, well-lit location near a window to receive the proper amount of sun. Be sure to avoid direct sunlight exposure on the orchid plant. Temperature is also important when caring for your Just Add Ice orchid. Keep the orchid away from any cold, drafty areas and locate it at temperatures between 65 to 85 degrees. These 3 easy steps are optimal for Just Add Ice orchids for their blooming and care, and we encourage you to try them because it's just that simple.